Got an unboxing. This is my new toy for my garage, y'all. So this is the last thing I'm gonna acquire this year. So starting next year, I'm upgrading my lawnmower, my blower, my weed eater, and I'm telling y'all, it's coming, y'all. My garage is coming together. I'm telling you, when I get home, I'm gonna take this out the truck. I'm not gonna do unboxing because it's raining here, as you could tell. So I'm coming, y'all. I got my board now. It's ready now, y'all. So, woo, I'm getting ready. Y'all, it's not raining in my garage right now, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this little beast right here. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. So y'all see the name of it, right? Name brand. I got this from Home Depot, y'all. So, woo, y'all hope y'all are ready for this. Ooh. Telling y'all, woo. I'm sure you, I'm gonna get a little hit. Woo. Well, I'm so happy to get this thing here. Boy, I got so much stuff to do. So many yards to do. And look at that. I'm gonna show you that right there. Woo. Yeah, boy. Ooh. I'm gonna cut you back on, all right? I'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all. This is what was in the box. So, y'all know this motor came with this pressure washer. I got me a new pressure washer, y'all. So I'm gonna put this together. I'm gonna break down to you what everything came with. It came with the handle right here, the engine oil right here, the hose, the fittings, the wand right here, and the can't think of the name right now, but you know what I'm talking about. It's the boom. Well, where the water come out of. So I'm gonna put this together. Got a little. It's a 3400 PSI 2.5. So that being said, y'all. So I'm gonna call my neighbor. All right, y'all. My neighbor just got the phone. My neighbor. He on his way down here to help me out. So I'm gonna record him or me putting it together. So like I said, this right here motor. They say it's made by Hyundai, so a Honda motor. So I'm gonna see how it is. Once I start it up, I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna run it tomorrow if the sun permits. So right here, got the chokes right here. So I add my gas right here, and add my handle right here. My soap goes right here, another tube goes right here, and the tip of that goes inside of my the tip of that goes inside the soap. So I'm gonna cut you back on when we put it together. Go on. All right, y'all. I put the handle on. I put these ends right here on, so they down now. So it's a clean machine, y'all. I noticed when I took out the box, it had little scratches on it down here. So I got some black paint. I'm gonna touch this up right here. So let me go ahead and add the rest of the stuff to it and put it the way it's supposed to go. So I seen this right here. These just set in here. So I gotta take these out right here and set it again up in here. So I think some goes right here. So I'm gonna figure that out. I think some goes right. I'm not down. Y'all look at the ground. I think some goes right here. And yeah, I'm gonna put it together, y'all. I'm gonna figure this thing out. All right, y'all. Cut you back on. YouTube. I put the handle on right here. I got confused. I thought it go on the inside. I thought about it. I said, hold on a minute. It didn't go on the inside. It go on the outside. So my wand, which is, you know, let me show you. You know, this right here is wand. goes like this right here, inside of here. That's how I go sit. That's how I go ride, y'all. That's how I go ride. So, get that on. Now, I'm gonna attach the pieces for down here. So, cut you back on. Alright, YouTube. I gotta start up. No smoke. Running, y'all. All I gotta do is add the hose to it. I'm done, y'all. There we go. Off one down here. Alright, y'all. Y'all heard it run. You can tell, you know, when you get new stuff, it had like a small little smoke to it. And that's what it's doing now. So, you burn out all that old stuff over there. Burn all that old stuff over. That's what it's doing. It's kind of hot. You know, the muffler's right here. Muffler's right here, so it's kind of hot. But when it clear up, I'm gonna run some water through it, y'all. So y'all see it fires up. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe. And please leave me a respectful comment. So, I told my neighbor he had to come down, so I took care of it. So, I did my job, y'all. So, that being said, I'm gone. To the next video.